Hello student, today I am going to discuss the third chapter, that is understanding quadrilateral. In earlier classes we have already studied different varieties of curves. A simple closed curve is closed curve which is not simple, a simple curve that is not closed and not simple curve. Different varieties of curve we have already studied in earlier classes. So our topic is here polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed curve made up of line segment is called polygon. In this figure, you can easily identify polygons and not polygon. Polygon having a line segment. Circle is not a polygon because it is curved in shape, so circle is not a polygon. It doesn't have any line segment. This figure is line segment but it is not closed. It is open at one end. So this is also not a polygon. This figure is also not a polygon because it is not closed. It is open at one end. So this figure is also not a polygon. This figure is not a polygon because it is curved at one end. So these are few examples of not a polygon. I have taken some other example, a circle, curve. These are some examples of not polygons. In this figure you can easily identify which one is polygon or not polygon. Next, types of polygon: triangles, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. Different varieties, different types of polygons are there. Classification of polygon: if number of sides and vertices are 3, then it is called triangle. If number of vertices and sides are 4, then it is called quadrilateral. If it is 5, then pentagon. If number of sides and vertices are 6, then hexagon. If number of sides and vertices are 7, then heptagon. If it is 8, then octagon. If number of sides and vertices are 9, then it is called nonagon. If number of sides and vertices are 10, then it is called decagon. Next is diagonals. Diagonal of a polygon is a line segment that join two non-consecutive vertices. Here I have taken a pentagon A, B, C, D, E, where A, C are two non-consecutive vertices. If we join AC, we get diagonal. Similarly, AD, BE, BD and CE are other diagonals of the pentagon. So AC, AD, BE, BD and CE are the 5 diagonals of the pentagon A, B, C, D, E. So diagonals are the line segment that join two non-consecutive vertices. If we join two non-consecutive vertices, we get a diagonal of that polygon. Next is numbers of diagonals of polygon. D is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the numbers of side of the polygon and d is the number of diagonals of the polygon. This is the formula to find out the number of diagonals of polygon. An example, consider an example hexagon where n equal to 6 because side is 6. So number of diagonal d equal to n into n minus 3, 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. When it is cancelled out, we get d equal to 9. So number of diagonals of hexagon is 9. Formula is d equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. This is applicable for all the polygon. In this table you can easily observe number of side, angles, vertices and diagonals of polygon, triangles to up to decagon. Formula to find out number of diagonal is n into n minus 3 by 2, and this is applicable for all the polygons to find out number of diagonal. Next is interior and exterior of the polygon. Interior has a boundary but exterior doesn't have, we already know. So interior part and exterior part of the polygon you have already know. Next is the convex and concave polygon. In convex polygon all diagonals are inside, and concave polygon one or more diagonals are outside. At least one diagonals are outside. In this figure, you can easily identify which one is convex and concave. This is the comparison between convex and concave polygon. In left hand side, consider PQRS is a quadrilateral where PR and QS are two diagonals lies inside, so it is convex polygon. And in right hand side, consider PQS is a diagonal which lies outer side, so it is a concave polygon. At least one diagonal lies outer side, so that polygon is called concave polygon. And in convex polygon, all vertices are outer side and diagonals are inner side. In this figure, you can easily identify which one is convex and concave. Easy for you. Next is regular polygon and irregular polygon. Regular polygon is both equilateral and equiangular. Equiangular means all angles are same. Equilateral means all sides are same. Square, equilateral triangle are the examples of regular polygon, and irregular polygon, the polygon which are not regular is called irregular polygon. Examples of irregular polygon is rectangle. These are the types of regular polygon or examples of regular polygon. It is equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, etc. In this figure, you can easily identify regular and irregular polygon. Next is interior angle sum of any polygon. Formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree, and size of one angle is size of one angle of regular polygon is 180 into n minus 2 by n. This is the formula. So interior angle sum of any polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180, and size of one angle of regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180 by n, where n is the number of side of the polygon. This is the formula to find out interior angle sum and size of the angle. Next, angle sum of quadrilateral. Interior angle sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. In left hand side, consider A, B, C, D are the four interior angle. Summation of all four interior angle equal to 360 degree, and exterior angle sum in right hand side A, B, C, D are the four exterior angle, so summation is 360 degree. This was the summary of chapter 3. Thank you.